This turns into this. And this becomes this. And this simple background transforms into this full animation with perfectly consistent characters. And the crazy part, I did all of this using Imagine for completely free. Let me show you how. Search for Grok Imagine on Google and click on it. This is Grok's powerful image and video generation platform. You can also access it through the Grok mobile app. First, sign up if you don't already have a Grok account, or simply log in if you do. Here, you'll find tons of images generated by this platform. What's cool is that we can turn any of these images into a video. As you can see, these are mostly portrait images. But if you upload a landscape image, you can easily generate a landscape video as well. I'll pick this image and show you how it works. Just click on Make Video. And there you go. It's animated. Even the audio is automatically generated. Pretty cool, right? There are 3 types of presets: normal, fun, and spicy. By default, it's set to normal. Let's try out the fun preset first. Wow, it looks completely different from the previous generation. I guess this is what they call fun, but honestly, it looks more like a mess, right? Okay, now let's check out the spicy option. This one's kind of in the hot and bold category. When you use it for the first time, you'll need to confirm that you're over 18. Since this is an animated style video, there aren't any real hot scenes, but still, it feels a little weird, doesn't it? We can also animate an image just by giving a text prompt. For example, I entered a bear and a fox trying to hunt a camel. And look at that. It actually turned out pretty good, right? If you scroll down, you'll find more similar designs related to this image, so you can easily discover multiple variations from just one prompt. All right, now let's go back and try another image. I'm picking this rope riding girl, and let's turn it into a video. Look at that animation. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's see what happens when we switch to the spicy, or should I say, hot option. Okay, there's a girl. Hold your breath, guys. Wow, that looks awesome, right? That's what spicy is all about. Sometimes the content might get moderated if it's too sensitive or a bit too hot. All right, let's test something different now. I want to check how well this model handles talking animations. I'm picking this Viking image and typing, a Viking man holding a smartphone, taking a selfie video while saying, "Hello, boys." Let's see how the video turns out.
Hello, boys! Hello, boys!
The lip sync and voice are actually really good. There's just a bit of lag, probably because of my connection. But otherwise, it's pretty solid, right? We can also generate designs completely from scratch right here. When you're entering your prompt, you can also choose the aspect ratio you prefer. and select whether you want to generate a video or just an image. By default, it's set to create a portrait video. All you need to do is type a simple prompt, and Grok will modify it and then generate a video for you. For example, I typed, "A realistic gorilla playing a violin in a jungle." It doesn't just give one image. It actually provides multiple designs like these. I'll pick this one and make it into a video, just like before. And this is how it looks. Awesome, right? The beauty of this tool is that there's no defined limit so far. Maybe in the future they'll add one, but for now, it's wide open. Now, I'm going to upload one of my own images and turn it into a video. If you want landscape videos, the best way is to upload a landscape image and generate from that. Here, I've uploaded a cartoon image of a park, and it automatically converts into a video. Like this. See? This is super useful for creating cartoon-style animations. Now, let's try the fun preset with this one. Haha, it looks like even the benches are dancing. Now I'm giving a new prompt. A girl and a boy come to the park and sit on a bench. Let's see how it turned out. Not bad. It actually looks pretty good. Next, let's try realistic girl and boy. But since the background is cartoon style, it doesn't really blend well with realistic characters. All right, let's test another prompt. The girl and boy cuddling on the bench. Wow, this one looks awesome. But there's one thing to notice. In these 3 different videos, the characters keep changing. So, how do we make sure the same characters appear every time? For that, we need to include the characters directly in the image. First, I'll generate an image of the girl. I gave the prompt, a tall girl with long hair dressed in a frock. It gave me realistic girls, but I actually want a cartoon version. So I changed the prompt to, a tall cartoon girl. Now it generated several cartoon images. I'll pick this one. Then click on the download arrow. Right-click and save it as an image. Now I'm going to generate a cartoon boy, dressed in a t-shirt, trousers, and wearing shoes. The first results look mostly black and white. But I want a boy that matches the cartoon style of the girl we just created. Here's the prompt I used for the cartoon boys below. As you can see, Grok automatically modifies our given prompt a bit. So this time, I'll define the skin tone and the colors of the clothes more clearly. All right. I'm going to pick this one. Looks good. Let's download it. Now, open Canva and upload all the images we just created. Add each character image to the canvas like this. Next, use the background remover to clear out the background for each one. Crop this so only the main boy character is visible. Then remove the background, just like this. Click on one image and flip it horizontally. Then do the same for the girl as well. Finally, position and arrange both characters on the left side of the canvas like this. Once you're done, go to Share, Download, and download it as a PNG file. Now, upload the image into Imagine. And it'll automatically turn into a video, just like this. Looks pretty good, right? This time, I also added a prompt saying, "The boy and girl come and sit on the first bench and start cuddling." Then I generated the video again. And wow, it looks awesome, doesn't it? That's how you can create the characters you want. And with this method, you can easily generate consistent character scenes every time. And that's all for today. Like the video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and stay tuned with me.